The crank cap allows access to your demolition or rotary hammer's crankshaft. The plastic cap threads onto the gear case. The cap can be damaged or cracked if the tool is dropped or if something falls on it. Replacing the crank cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the crank cap from the gearbox. You'll notice the crank cap has a couple of holes in the top. I went through my grinder spanner wrenches and found one that fits. I'll use the wrench to remove the cap. Now I can install the new cap. I'll need to transfer the O-ring from the old cap over to the new. And I'll finish up by screwing the cap onto the gearbox. And that's how easy it is to install a new crank cap on your hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.